Hey guys, how's it going? It's Tim Shaves and I'm back. Back from my travels for work, and yeah, I'm back to shaving. I've shaved a couple times between those 2-3 weeks, and I actually was growing out the stubbles for a bit, maybe for like a week, and then I would cut it off, mow it down, wait another week, a couple days. But now, just on 2 days ago, 2 days of growth, so should be an easy one. Hope you guys are having a good day and some great shaves. Wet shaving wise, I haven't been too involved. I'm just checking out here and there on the forums and see if there's any new products. But so far, I've been trying to continue the kind of a minimalist approach. But I mean, I already got so much stuff. It'll take me at least 20 years to get rid of, not get rid of, but use up all the products. But I'm gonna go with what I got, and yeah, let's get at it. Here we go. So for software for today, it's gonna be the shave stick, shave soap sample from Siliski soaps. This is my kill stick, I guess. But I've actually been scooping out of the shave stick, which kind of defeats its purpose, but it is what it is. Yeah, I don't like applying soap directly to my face. I think because I have to use a brush to kind of work in all the soap on the face, sometimes it takes a little bit longer with the face lathering process. And you know, I prefer the bowl lathering, so I already got it lathered up here. And using my Sawdust Creation Paduke wood brush with a Timberwolf synthetic, fan synthetic. Got my Captain Choice bowl. And yeah, let me wet the face and get it going. There we go. And I've been enjoying this soap quite a bit. Siliski soaps, I don't know if they're still making shaving products. They used to be more present during maybe like when I first got into the hobby, around 2018, 19. They were kind of off for a bit. You know, they were testing new base, so I got to try that out. They came out with a couple new products and then went back to kind of more skincare side of things. But even though the soap is pretty old, I'd say like 4 years, 4 or 5 years, it still works pretty well. A little more water. The scent is on the more subtle side, but just a nice, pleasant citrus scent, which I don't mind. Still very slick and easy to work with. As for the razor and blade today, going to be going back to the A&E B1 Lancer. This razor's been an enjoyable one. I know my first impressions weren't that great. It was okay, but as I use it more, I'm enjoying it more often. And using the V-John Super Platinum blade, it takes quite a bit of force to open it up. But let's get at it with this one. Here we go, first pass with the grain. I really enjoyed this combination of razor to blade. It's got a nice balance of blade feel to comfort. I think I enjoy this combination more than the Rockwell 6S and the Vision blade. Just nice and easy. The razor's gliding easily on the skin. Alright, first pass is done. I like that I don't have to worry about water getting on the razor for the ease. That changes a bit for straight razors. I've still been honing here and there, but definitely need to get back to it. Just takes me a while, especially when like working with a gold dollar. There's a lot of work that needs to be done, and sometimes I don't feel like spending a couple hours just trying to set the bevel on gold dollar. Alright, anyways, let's get back to it. Second pass, across the grain. My work trip was pretty enjoyable. Got to train in my line of work. And also got to do some sightseeing and visit places in the area. So I was over at Kentucky, and it kind of worked out because I've been my interest for bourbon has been increasing, and this trip definitely solidified that. Got to visit a bunch of distilleries. Do some tour, and visited Bardstown a couple of times. Really enjoyed the kind of historic feel to the area. Really different from where I'm at in the West Coast. Alright, easy second pass. Let's go for a cleanup and we'll wrap it up there. Oh yeah, close shave so far. By this, I think I'm like 90% to a BBS. Just chasing down a couple of stragglers. And I carried back a couple bourbons back to my place. I got to try a bunch of them in tastings and in bars. Got to try Russell's Reserve 10-year. And that was quite a smooth drink. I liked it, but maybe a little too smooth. I've also got to try a bunch of different mash bills, like different rye whiskeys and wheated whiskeys. That was interesting. My preference is definitely towards rye. I like that kind of that spicy kick to the whiskey, and I don't know, just on the finish, rye whiskeys tend to give it a bit more sweeter, pleasing finish compared to wheated. The couple times I tried wheated whiskeys, it had a kind of a grainy, slightly bitter finish to it. It might be the whiskey that I tried. Maybe there are better wheated whiskeys out there, but I've enjoyed pretty much all of the ryes that I tried, and not really any of the wheated ones. Anyways, that was a great shave. That's about as close as I like without fully getting into VBS. I would say it's like 95-6% there, but no need to chase it further. Alright, gonna finish it off with some Tabasco. Got the aftershave here. Nice. This is actually someone sent me this, so thank you. I don't remember who did, but somebody sent me this, and it has some green juice to it. I probably should have put my thumb over it. Got way too much. And here we go. Oh yes. Oh, that is some heavy menthol. Oh gosh. That's oh, that's a strong kick. This feels like Sterling's Glacial on my skin. I don't know if my skin is burning or the menthol is just super heavy, but oh, that's a great feeling. Let you know you wrapped up the shave. This is actually Osage rub or sage rub in a Tabasco bottle, and man, I might have to get a full size of Osage rub because this is amazing. It's like heavily mentholated skin bracer. I mean, they are different, but they're both green and they share some similarities. This one definitely is a little more fresh and a lot more menthol, whereas Skin Bracer is a little bit more fragrant, really hard to, maybe more on the fougere side. I can't specify the differences, but I like them both. This one is definitely a keeper for me. All right, let's wrap up the shave here. Went with the Siliski Soap Citrus Soap, which worked really well. Lathered up, Captain's Choice Bowl, Sawdust Creation Brush, and mow down the 2-day growth with the A&E B1 Lancer with the Vision blade inside. Oh, getting a little slippery. Come on, yep, Vision blade. Excellent shave today. Wrapped it up with the Osage rub. Ooh, I love that menthol kick towards the end. It's a really relaxing and invigorating experience. I still love it to this day. Like 5 years in now with shaving. But yeah, I'll continue this on. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night. And this is Tim Shaves, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.